Some details to look for when you go to choose your marina. They're very important. You're going to spend a lot of time there, so you want to make sure it's a good, safe place to be for you, your family and your friends. So the first thing to look for, I believe, is probably maintenance of the marina. Is it clean and tidy? Bits not broken, taps not leaking, electricity service is in good condition. The number of cleats along the place to tie your boat up adequately. Fendering on the edge that can, protect your boat, as you're manoeuvring in and out of the marina. The piling, they can get oysters built up on them, become quite sharp and dangerous. We get ours cleaned once or twice a year, get rid of all the oysters. But essentially, it's just an overall impression. The quality of the concrete, the distances of the walkways, the length of the fingers, all those sorts of things which are just going to make your life a lot easier.